Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm about to reveal 50 incredible brand new products that just hit the market. You won't want to miss these game changers. Stick around to see what's next, and remember, direct links to all products can be found in the description underneath this video. Drop a comment on your favorite product for a chance to win it totally free of charge. Built with waterproof IP65, you can use this laser rangefinder for rainy days. The mini rangefinder is equipped with advanced slope switch technology, magnetic mounting, and USB-C charging. And its pocket-sized design and 0.29 pounds weight make it more convenient and ideal for enhancing your game at any time and any place. Even women and kids can easily hold it with one hand. It has to be the golfer's best friend. The premium ice spear mold creates crystal clear ice sticks for a visually appealing and elegant addition to your favorite beverages. Flexible silicone design ensures effortless release of ice cubes, making it simple to chill your drinks without hassle. Made from high-quality, BPA-free silicone, this tray is safe for food contact and durable for long-term use. The included lid keeps your ice cubes fresh and free from freezer odors, ensuring pure and clean ice for your beverages. The head and handle of the fishing slingshot are made from a combination of durable metal and plastic, providing a sturdy and comfortable grip. The ergonomic design ensures ease of use, making it suitable for extended outdoor activities. The sleek blue finish adds a touch of style and sophistication. This professional fishing slingshot features a modular design with slots for custom DIY enhancements and includes a fish dart finger and high-precision catapult system for accurate shooting. Let's go shoot some fish! This baby octopus nightlight has a cute, smiling face, unique design, and small tentacles. When you see it, you feel like it is swimming in the ocean, which makes it more special and cute. The charming and cute baby octopus nightlight adds a lot of vitality to the room. The light of this baby octopus nightlight is comfortable and eye-protecting, and the light is soft and will not hurt the eyes. Keep everything within reach. This innovative, one-of-a-kind inflatable drink holder is designed to keep everything you need within arm's reach. Get your drinks floating this summer and make your pool the most popular destination. This Dive Blast floating bar for your pool is all you need to keep your summer memories afloat. Your friends will simply adore you even more than they already do. The ANERIMST wireless speaker is more than an outdoor speaker but a patio torchlight, camping lantern, nightlight, and ambient lighting. A cute decor for grilling, gardening, relaxing, as well as a nice music addition to outside activities. The lantern speaker has a built-in rechargeable battery, and playtime is about 24 hours. Easy battery charge by USB cable with 4 to 5 hour full charge. Wireless range up to 100 feet in open space. The perfect man treat for any occasion. Access elite-level training content to reach your performance peak. Wirelessly connect to the free app for video-guided exercises and programs developed by leading coaches and neuro-exercise scientists. Rockets are ball, kick, punch-proof, and made of jet fighter materials and engineered to withstand any impact and weather. The app's objective training data offers trackable metrics to compete and track performance. Go on, be the best you can be. This is a 4-in-1 multifunctional soil tester. Our soil tester fastly to measure soil moisture, pH, temperature, and sunlight to help you take better care of flowers and plants. You can know when you need to water your soil by measuring moisture and pH and temperature value of the soil and sunlight level of plants with it. The soil tester uses a large LCD screen and white backlight to conveniently display and read digital parameter in day or dark. Use 4 Voltswagen 1.5-volt batteries, which are not included. It will alert you when the battery is low. How cool is this? The PeroBuno compressed air duster features a strong motor and 3-speed winds, ensuring efficient dust elimination with varying run times. Gear 1 for 35 minutes, Gear 2 for about 20 minutes, Gear 3 for about 15 minutes. Say goodbye to dust and debris with this electric air duster. It doubles as a mini vacuum for cleaning dust from computer keyboards or other surfaces in the car, home, or office. A really cool product. The PVC soft fan blades are safe to use and the gooseneck is flexibly bent. Gently adjust the flexible neck to the position you need to keep cool in any position. Ideal for desktops and laptops, Simply plug in any USB port on your laptop or PC without installing a driver. Gently adjust the flexible neck to pause it in the cool breeze anywhere you wish. The temperature clock fan is a USB fan with a special blade that creates an LED clock face. Stay cool and on time while you work. This is a 4.3-inch LCD digital microscope with high-definition, convenient focusing. This electronics microscope has 1000 times magnification and 1080 pi by 720 pi resolution and a USB connection. Simply adjust the object to the lens and slowly turn the focusing wheel to see the fine details. It is very convenient. It has a built-in rechargeable lithium battery which can work for 4 to 5 hours. It is portable and independent. Go on, bring out the mad scientist in you. Frigidaire Mini Portable Compact. Personal fridge cooler, 4-liter capacity. Chills. 6 12-ounce cans, 100% Freon-free and eco-friendly. Includes plugs for home outlet and 12-volt car charger. Holds 6 cans or 4 liters. Compact and portable with a carrying handle so it can be easily taken with you wherever you go. Heavy-duty locking latch and door hinge to keep your beverages or snacks secure. 3 great-sized serving boards. Our bamboo cutting board, coming in a convenient set of 3, offer 9x6, 12x8, and 15x10-inch options, making this your all-in-one multi-purpose use kitchen essential, allowing you to easily complete all of your cutting, meal preparation, and even serving needs. There's an option for every need: small for quick fruit chopping, medium for more space or multiple vegetables, and large for slicing and dicing whole meat, rolling out dough, or even use as a charcuterie board. Thanks for watching. If you loved any of these products, hit that like button, and please subscribe and ring the bell for more reviews. Drop a comment letting me know which one was your favorite.